understanding, is the plot of Edward Burson Spalding. He was born near Byron, Illinois, and lived in Rockford. He enlisted in Company E of the 52nd Illinois Infantry, and he was awarded the Medal of Honor for conspicuous gallantry at the Battle of Shiloh, and late honor for gallantry at Pittsburgh Landing in 1862. At Shiloh, he was wounded 3 times, permanently crippled in his left hand and arm, and in Pittsburgh, he was promoted to first lieutenant. This makes Edward Spalding one of the 3 people from Sioux City who has received the Medal of Honor. He came to Sioux City in 1865, where he became clerk of courts, and he earned his law degree and practiced with E.D. Hubbard, H.J. Cable, and E.A. Burgess in the firm Hubbard, Spalding, and Taylor. He was vice president and director of Merchants National Bank, secretary of the company that constructed the waterworks of Sioux City, secretary of the company that erected the library, now City Hall, secretary of the Sioux City Building Fund Association until their charter expired in 1889, was a prosecutor in the George Haddock murder trial, and in that plot as well, though her stone is not there, is his daughter Alice, who was an early Sioux City historian. So, Edward Burson Spalding, and he has his stone, I believe also from the DAR, so that's why that nice white stone is there.